get optimum performance in the future, it's very important to have all the mating parts clean in the internals of the engine, block, head, etc. We use NCH cleaning machines because these are very good at getting all the debris out of the machines to provide optimum performance.
If you're in a workshop or industrial environment and you have heavy, bulky or batch quantities of parts to clean, then the ADS Hotwash is the perfect solution for you. The machine has large capacity and payload, a large basket diameter, top, bottom and side spray bars. It's fully stainless steel construction with insulated energy and efficient body, which improves the cleaning performance. Together with NCH chemistry and a high volume and high pressure pump, the stainless steel construction unit gives you the perfect solution.